Hello bachcho, let's see the question. In angiosperms, functional megaspore develops into, and the options are A. embryo sac, B. ovule, C. endosperm, and D. pollen sac. So, in angiosperms are the flowering plants. Here the ovule is enclosed in ovary. So, what happens in ovule? So, this is the diagram of an ovule. These are integuments, and here at the micropylar end, this is micropylar end and the opposite end is chalazial end. So at the micropylar end, one cell becomes enlarged, and this enlarged cell is called megaspore mother cell. So this is a megaspore mother cell. It is diploid. Now this megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis. It means the reductional division will be there, and from this one cell, 4 haploid structures known as megaspores will be formed. Now out of these 4 haploid megaspores, 3 megaspores degenerate. So 3 gets degenerate, while the one remains functional. Now this functional megaspore further undergoes several changes, and ultimately it gets developed into an embryo sac or the female gamete. So what happens? This is a functional megaspore. It is uninucleate. It is having a single nucleus. Now this nucleus undergoes division, and this nuclear division is free nuclear division, as only the nucleus divides but the cell walls are not laid. So due to this, 2 nuclei will be formed. Now out of these 2 nuclei, one will move towards this pole and the other one will move towards this pole. So these 2 nuclei reach on opposite pole. Now there will be second free nuclear division, where these 2 nuclei will undergo division to form 4 nuclei. Now there will be free nuclear division number 3, and during this event 4 nuclei will divide to form 8 nuclei. So 4 nuclei will be towards this pole and 4 will be towards this pole. Now out of these 4, one will move towards this center, and from this pole also one nucleus will move towards the center. Now such a condition creates 3 nuclei at this pole, 3 nuclei at this pole, and 2 nuclei in the center. Now cell walls are laid, and 3 cells will be formed at this pole, 3 cells will be formed at this pole, and 1 cell will be at the center, and this central cell is having 2 nuclei. So this entire structure, which is 7-celled and 8 nucleate, this entire structure is formed from the megaspore, the functional megaspore. So this structure is called an embryo sac or the female gametophyte, as it is having a female gamete. So it is called a gametophyte. So in angiosperms, functional megaspore develops into, and the option A, embryo sac, is the right answer. Ovule is the future seed, which it is already present in a flower. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue. It is formed after double fertilization. And pollen sac is the chamber where pollen grains are formed. So functional megaspore develops into the embryo sac. So option A is the correct option. All the best, bachcho.